Hello guys, before the video starts I would like to invite you to our Discord channel. We will be able to answer your questions there more frequently, and thank you. Hello guys, today we will talk a little bit about vitamins, which in my opinion is a very important aspect of bone remodeling and mewing. Many mewing YouTubers mention that it is important to have right posture, to have your tongue up on your palate all the time, and some even mention about suction hold, but they don't talk about vitamins, and in my opinion this is as important as that. Vitamins are making huge difference because when you're especially adult, your bone remodeling process will not be as fast as in your childhood. So to make it faster, you have to boost yourself. Vitamins and minerals that are boosting and speeding up your bone remodeling process are vitamin D3, vitamin K2, magnesium, which is a mineral, calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are parts of our bones, so I don't need to explain you why they are important. Magnesium, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 are responsible for catching calcium from the diet, making it go to the osteoblasts, which are bone cells, and they are responsible for activating osteoblasts so that the bone remodeling process can undergo quickly. In my opinion, this is very important to take not only, for example, vitamin D3, not only calcium, not only phosphorus, but everything combined, preferably in one supplement. This will allow you to make sure that your vitamin and mineral intake when it comes to mewing is okay, and it will not interrupt you when it comes to bone remodeling. So what is exactly the bone remodeling and why mewing is so connected to it? Mewing is bone remodeling, so it's not pushing your bone, it's not about changing its position, it's about changing the shape of the bone. To sum up, it is very important to take vitamin D3, vitamin K2, magnesium, potassium and calcium, and we have to combine it together. It is especially important in your adulthood because your bone remodeling process is very slow at that time. So I personally take a supplement that contains everything that I mentioned in this video, and I take it 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. That will allow me to remodel my bones more effectively and starting seeing mewing results earlier that they would occur if I didn't take this kind of supplements. So guys, when you have your tongue in the right position and you're sure that you're mewing correctly, when your suction hold is on point, and when you know exactly that you're mewing while sleeping because you wake up with the tongue on the roof of the mouth, at this time, in this exact moment, your bone remodeling starts, because as you know, to see the results from mewing, you have to mew all the time. And when you know that you will be mewing all the time, what you have to do is buy these supplements and then start taking it. Don't take it from the beginning because it doesn't have sense. It will not remodel your bones anyway, because the first thing that you have to do is to mew 24/7, then take these supplements. Thank you for your attention, guys. This was a short podcast video and I hope it helped you. Remember to take your supplements and your vitamins and minerals, because without it you will not see progress in mewing as fast as you could. Thank you guys and see you soon.